Hello everyone! Let me introduce myself. My name is Olivia Leony Thobias with student ID 241,011,060,044 from the Information Systems program, Class B. In this video, I will explain about graphs in everyday life. Have you ever wondered, how do apps like Google Maps find the fastest route? How does social media connect millions of people around the world? And how does the internet send data so quickly? All of these use an important concept called graphs. A graph is a structure made up of a set of points and lines. The points are called vertices, and the lines connecting them are called edges. Through graphs, we can represent relationships between different objects in a simple yet very effective way. One of the most common examples of graphs in real life is in digital maps. In this case, locations such as cities, buildings, or places are represented as vertices, while the roads connecting them are edges. By using graphs, applications can calculate the fastest or most efficient route for us to take. Another example can be found in social media. Each user can be considered as a vertex, and the friendships or connections between users are edges. With this structure, a large network is formed, allowing people to connect, share information, and interact on a global scale. In addition, graphs are also used in computer networks and the internet. Devices such as computers, routers, and servers act as vertices, while the connections between them are edges. This allows data to be transmitted and received quickly and efficiently across the world. Graphs have many benefits in everyday life, including: first, helping us determine the fastest route from one place to another. Second, connecting many people in a network, such as in social media. Third, optimizing systems like transportation and communication to be more efficient. Fourth, helping in data processing and decision-making in various fields. Therefore, graphs are an important concept to learn. With all these benefits, we can see that graphs are not just a theoretical concept, but also play an important role in modern life. So, from this explanation, we can see that graphs are used in maps, social media, and internet networks. Graphs help make our lives easier. And graphs are an important part of modern technology. By understanding graphs, we can better understand how systems around us work and how technology can develop more efficiently. I hope this explanation helps increase our understanding of the importance of graphs in everyday life. Thank you for watching.